Okay, so today I caught the swarm that I posted earlier. Got them home, got them established into a little newt box. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you through and show you guys my 3 hives. This is my garden. Peach tree, apple tree, and it's slowly starting to come. Broccoli and cauliflower. And we got all kinds of stuff. So this is the first hive I bought. Real strong hive. These are my bees that aren't too nice. Then over here, chicken coop, my thing fell down. This is my split. This is the one that I split off of the first hive that I bought. So this is number 2. I'm already getting buzzed a little bit. This hive ain't that big. So now the one that we caught today is over in this little box. There's the bag that we had bees in for the second go around. There's my girls hard at work. Very mellow bee. And I got some sugar water for them. And take care of that problem. What? So that's it. It was quite easy. Got stung once, but it was in a callus in my finger and it didn't hurt. But it wasn't too hard to do. Let's go over here. These girls are gonna be mad when I show you. There's 4 of them there. The other one's tucked back there. And